Describe two consequences of the Declaration of Independence in 1776. 8 marks. This is the mark scheme for this question, which you can find out about in more detail in the overview video. But we do know that 4 marks are available for AO2, which is your analysis of consequence. So essentially, what happened as a result of the event, and why was it significant? Why was it important? To explain that, you need to be relying on AO1, which is also worth 4 marks, and that's for your knowledge and understanding of the period. So using evidence from your own knowledge to explain the consequence and explain why it's significant. It's that kind of detailed explanation using your own knowledge which shows that you can be analytical, and that is how you score highly on this question. You also need to demonstrate detailed knowledge, so using evidence from your own knowledge is really, really important to score highly. There are lots of different points you could have given for this question, so as long as what you say is relevant and correct, the examiner will give you the marks. But let's take a look at some examples of points that you could have made. So one point could have been that it encouraged sort of an anti-British sentiment, because it claimed that British Parliament had never had sovereignty over the colonies, and that George III therefore violated this by governing America. So you can see there that we've stated the consequence nice and clearly, and then given a brief but detailed explanation of why that was significant, what that meant, how that related to the question. Take a look at the rest of the points to see if there's anything you could have added to your own answer.